Hey everyone, welcome back to the latest GoSkills Excel Challenge solution. How close did you get to solving it?
Hey everyone, let's jump right into the solution for our challenge. We need to calculate both the calendar days and working days for each stage of our project. Calendar days are more straightforward because we're not excluding anything, but working days will not include Saturdays and Sundays, nor will they include holidays. And our list of holidays is here in column O. Well, let's deal with the calendar days first because that's quite simple. For each stage, we can subtract the start date from the end date, but then add 1 to ensure the calculation includes both dates. For the first stage, we get a result of 6 days, which is easy to confirm because the first stage lasts from February 1st to the 6th. That's 6 days. That's correct. So let's copy that down the rest of the column, and our first task is complete. Now let's calculate the working days, and let's remember we need to exclude weekends and holidays. Lucky for us, Excel has a function called net workdays that will take care of this very easily. Net workdays will calculate the number of days between a start date and an end date, and it will automatically exclude weekends from the calculation, as well as any holidays you define. Now, the regular version of net workdays assumes Saturdays and Sundays are your weekends, but there's also an international version of net workdays that allows you to specify different kinds of weekends in case your work calendar is different. For this challenge, let's use the international version so you can see what that looks like. Now, first, we'll click on our start date, and then we'll click on the end date. Next, you can see the international options for defining your weekends. The most common is Saturdays and Sundays, so you can enter a 1, but you can see all the different options in there. And lastly, the holidays. We can select those days from column O, but remember to lock that reference so it stays intact as we copy that formula down for each stage. So hit enter on that and you'll see 4 working days for stage 1, which is correct. And then copy that down and your calculations are complete. You can confirm these numbers on your own, but net workdays is a really useful tool when working with calendars and determining how much time you've got to complete your work, especially when you discover that some of these stages give you only 1 day to get things done. So perhaps we need to make some adjustments to our project planning. Well, that's it. We hope you enjoyed this challenge, and we'll see you next month.
So there it is. Did you get the same results? Did you use the same approach? Or did you try something different? We'd like to know. Share your take on the challenge in the comments below or join us for more discussion in our Slack channel. Link in the description. Thanks for participating, and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get an alert when the next challenge is released. We'll see you then.